Hey friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you joined me today. I have a product review for you today, and we are going to be reviewing the Kego blinds. Let me show you how quick and easy these go up. So this end of the shade is like a little tension spring action thing. In the front and the top, you can see how this works. And basically, you're going to put this up onto your window frame, and I'm going to move these curtains back. Hopefully, you'll be able to see it. And you'll be able to kind of push this in and then swing this end up and your shade will be up. All right, again, you are looking to make sure that this tension is the first part you put in. And I know the curtain's kind of blocking it, but you're gonna get the original idea. It's like a tension rod. Any other tension rod that you've ever dealt with, you're just gonna put that end up first and push. And then slide the other side up. And then it just slides right up, keeps that tension right there against it. Now let's check out how the shade works. So I have the remote and I just pressed the little down button here. Now this is something that I think is really cool. Let me swing it down so you can see the bottom of the window too. You give them your dimensions of your window, width and height, and they custom make these shades for you. I feel like the motor must have some sort of like a touch sensor or something in it, because when this reaches the window ledge, it's just going to stop. So you don't have to stand there and wait for the shade to stop. You can just, push the button and walk away. And that's really all there is to it. And then just to get the shade back up, again, just push the up arrow on the remote. And hopefully you can hear this in the video. They are very quiet. So if you can't hear it in the video, that's a good thing too, right? I should not have gotten a 1-channel remote. I should have gotten a 15-channel remote to go with these blinds. I'm glad about the way that they look on the window. I'm happy with the noise level of them going up and down. So I hope if you're looking for a motorized blackout shade or any kind of shade, they have blinds and shades for skylights, and they have Venetian blinds. They have outdoor motorized blinds, which are pretty cool too. So if you're in the market for some motorized or non-motorized shades, check out Kego, link in the description box below. So until next time, find joy in all you do, carve out some time for crafting and creating, and remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.